school na mo nag-quiz niya. Say hi! Hi guys, it's Thursday today and I've been compiling videos since Monday to show you guys what it's like in a week of a college student, as a medtech college student. Wala akong boses kasi lately naulanan kami pag umuwi and I've been sleeping less kasi nga I'm studying for quizzes. Imagine yung nag-start yung pasok namin by Tuesday. Oh my God, wala talagang boses. Kaya parang naging silent vlog ang vlog ko kasi busy ako and fairness I'll be studying na for another quiz tomorrow. So no Tuesday nga, we had a class whole day. Nung morning bacteriology and nung by afternoon nag-clinical chemistry kami. Discussions agad lahat. Kasi feeling ko naghahabol sila kasi by September, ng second week is mag-exams na kami. And by the third week, we have medtech days. And kahapon, which is Wednesday, nag-hematology kami na lecture. And by afternoon is nag-long quiz kami sa clinical chemistry. And grabe guys, batak na batak ako sa pag-study nung Tuesday evening. I already slept by 2 a.m. and nagising ako by 6 para maligo kasi nga papasok kami sa school. And then kanina naman, nag-laboratory kami. This afternoon, nag-entrep kami. We actually had a complication sa with the teacher, with the subject teacher kasi hindi na kami ina-accept kasi madami na daw kami nagka-crash na regular students. So I think I'll be uploading this vlog by Sunday. And yeah, you'll see what it's like being a college medtech student. It's tiring but it's fun. And babatak na ako sa pag-study. Sa, namawala yun.